Vauxhall and Opel cars of previous generations have a very common problem with the thermostat. When it fails, you may have various anomalies like the fan working all the time, engine overheating, or engine not warming up to its normal working temperature. And if you read the codes, one of the most common fault codes will be the P0597 thermostat open circuit. A lot of owners spend time checking the electrical connection and circuit, using testers or even buying some equipment for measuring voltage. Well, it's a good idea to practice car repair and inspection, but in 100% of cases the culprit of this code is the failed thermostat, so replacing it with a good aftermarket metal body thermostat is the way to go. The problem with the OEM thermostat is that they have quite bad seals inside and can start leaking coolant internally. This destroys electrical connections and also compromises the work of the unit. Fortunately, replacing the thermostat in classic Vauxhall vehicles with Ecotec General Motors engines is a DIY task. You will just need to drain some coolant, but it's a good chance to change the coolant in the system too.